This week, the Virgin Islands Department of Justice took part in a specialized training program focused on enhancing trial techniques and investigative skills.
We are going to go into our case theory strategy discussion.
The training was conducted on both St. Croix and St. Thomas, with each island hosting a separate 2-day session. The program brought together DOJ attorneys, investigators, and support staff to sharpen their skills in legal practices. Over the course of the sessions, participants learned from experts in trial strategy and investigative techniques. The training was organized by the National Attorneys General Training and Research Institute, or NAAG. NAAG is the research and training division of the National Association of Attorneys General, or NAAG, a professional organization that represents the Attorneys General of U.S. states, territories, and the District of Columbia.
This is a nationwide organization. Most Attorney General's offices in the United States belong to it. One of the main features that they offer is training, and so I wanted to bring down the NAAG trainers. These are extremely experienced trainers who work with Departments of Justice, Attorneys General, and work on a lot of different techniques.
The training wasn't just theoretical. Participants had the chance to engage in practical, hands-on activities. Investigators and paralegals practiced investigative strategies and witness interviews, while attorneys worked in mock trial settings, perfecting their cross-examination and impeachment techniques.
The attorneys are going to practice again, admitting and using exhibits, and you're also going to practice impeaching by prior inconsistent statements. And for support staff, you're going to practice interviewing the adverse witness.
Their training is based around individual performance, so everybody gets to perform to show what they can do, and then they get to critique and learn new techniques that are being used nationwide by people in the law enforcement business.
From mock trials to case theory development, every element of the training was designed to help DOJ staff enhance their ability to serve the Virgin Islands community.
And a big part of the team training is to teach the prosecutors, the support staff, to work in tandem with the police and the other investigating agencies, basically to be part of a law enforcement team.
Attorney General Ray has expressed his commitment to continuing these types of training sessions at least twice a year.
We had an earlier training about 2 months ago with the NAAG staff, who did work with our civil attorneys, as well as some 60 to 80 attorneys from around the country, all of whom came to St. Croix, stayed at the Carambola Hotel, and were trained for several days in consumer protection, which is another big area that I'm interested in having our office get involved in.
In addition to expert-led presentations, the training included interactive breakout sessions.
I talked with the attorneys and support staff after some of the training sessions. I attended several of the sessions myself, and I must say I'm very impressed that we are definitely up to steam as far as the national standards of prosecution and justice.
The work you do is important, and it should be recognized. So this is just one small way that we try to implement that for you guys.